assembly balancer idler gear noise. Now listen carefully. This is called assembly balancer idler gear noise. The noise is prominently heard on the engine on deceleration. This noise is also called engine backlash noise, and it is caused because of the excessive clearance caused between the two gear teeth. To eliminate or reduce this backlash noise, an assembly balancer idler gear is used in the Pulsar engines that need to be loaded against the spring load correctly. However, if the assembly balancer idler gear is not loaded correctly, backlash noise may occur. To rectify this problem, open the clutch cover and remove the assembly balancer idler gear using the special tool. Inspect the assembly balancer idler gear. Now, using the special tool, load the nylon type scissor gear with two teeth against the spring load. This should be done for both sides. If the respective balancer nylon scissor gear is not sustaining the load and is slipping off, then dismantle the assembly balancer idler gear and inspect the inner torsion spring. Replace the torsion spring if found damaged. Remember, the nylon scissor gear should not rotate in both directions freely. The other causes for the noise are nylon gear teeth damaged or broken. Replace the gear. Load both the scissor gears with two teeth against the spring load and fit it back on the engine. Apply Loctite on the bolts and tighten the scissor gear cover to the specified torque as shown.